I think the lifestyle that Bangkok offers draws in so many foreigners that want to make the move here and come live here and set up a base. Hello folks, and welcome to another beautiful day here in the city of Bangkok. As you can see, the weather is looking splendid outside, as I'll show you now. Woo! Look at that. Clear, kind of foggy blue skies outside, but the weather is great, it's warm. And in today's video, I'm going to be taking you around my day. I actually just popped over to MC, got some breakfast, and I also did a bit of shopping here. Got a lot of snacks, such as some Snickers, some Kit Kats. I got some vitamin C bottles. Yes, need that. Some Gatorade and bananas. And the reason why I bought some Gatorade and bananas is because our friend Justin, which is just next door, sleeping, is fallen ill. He's fallen ill, unfortunately. He was throwing up all day last night, which is sad to say. So I'm going to be taking you out with me. It's just going to be me and you in today's video, going around Bangkok and showing you what I get up to on a daily basis while I'm staying out here. Yo, are you good? Do you need water or Gatorade? Okay, I've got some on the table and in the fridge if you need anything. I myself am gonna pop one of these little bad boys open. These C vitamin drinks. Apparently each bottle has 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C. So that's gonna help keep my immune system up. Let me drink it to this view. There we are. That tastes good and it feels good. Ooh, listen to that motorbike rip through Bangkok there. I'll take my little Bluetooth speaker that I got for my birthday. There's a little Bose Microlink sound. Absolutely phenomenal speaker. Really loud, really portable, and the battery life on this thing is splendid. It lasts quite a few hours before I have to charge it again. Have I got everything? It's in my key card. Gym. I'm hoping nobody's going to be here, like it usually is, and I'm correct. It's completely empty. So let's go on inside and close that door up, get some music playing, and get a pump. You know, there's just something about working out in the gym of your Bangkok condo, especially if it's located right on the roof deck. That's just so compelling and motivating to do every day. It's that skyline view. Then once I'm done with the bench, then I like to come over back to the flies and do a few shoulder press with these. I don't know why I prefer the cable ties to do the shoulder press versus the dumbbells. I just feel like I get more tension in them. I don't know why. Now, once the chest and the shoulders are done, I like to come to the dumbbells, pick maybe 10 kilos up, do about 20 to 30 curls on the biceps, and then tricep extensions followed right after. So I've hit the chest, I've hit biceps, triceps, shoulders, and now the only thing left is for the abs. And we're gonna get on this machine here and do a few crunches and sit-ups, and then also leg raises. I'm now gonna go reward myself by going downstairs and dipping in this beautiful pool. Oh, I can't wait to go down there. And there's nobody here. Amazing. So I love the fact that I almost feel like I have the amenities here in this condominium building all to myself. Kind of tired, I do need a drink. Maybe I'll go downstairs and get myself a Gatorade from home. Alright, we've made it to the roof deck pool. I've got my Gatorade, and we're now gonna go in for a wonderful dip. You know, this is what I mean about condominiums here in Bangkok. This is all to myself. There's nobody here at this moment in time. And I've got the sun beaming down, so I'm gonna be getting a little bit of a tan, absorbing some vitamin D from the sun. And yeah, I'm gonna be feeling great after about a 30-minute to an hour session, just relaxing, taking in the views. I I've been doing this routine for the past week in which I've been here in Bangkok, and I never get bored of it. Waking up, grabbing breakfast, working out, going to the pool, then going for a walk, getting dinner later. A lot of the pools in Bangkok, I've noticed, are salt pools. And as you can see, there's a bunch of salt in this corner right here. Can you see that? I'll pick it up. Which, as I understand, is way better than a chlorine pool, and it's way less sticky as well on your body when you get out. Anyway, for now, I'm gonna activate my Bluetooth speaker and I'm gonna get a few tunes playing.
Battery 100%. Connect. Meet on.
Over there is actually the Ashton Asok that we toured around in a previous video, and right next to it is the Terminal 21 mall. And then just a few blocks to the right is the Noble BE19 building over there, and one of the penthouses in that condominium goes for about 1 million USD. I think it's something between 125 square meters and 140 square meters. Alrighty folks, so I've finished up with the pool. I went home, showered off. Justin's also woken up, he's feeling a little bit better, but I'm now waiting for my Grab motorbike to go to Bangkok Park to watch sunset. I don't actually know if the sun has already set or not, but let's see. Still want to go for a walk around that beautiful park. My Grab driver should be here in 2 minutes time. Oh, I think that's him there. Mergim? Yep, Bangkok. Yeah, that's me. Let's go. You know, to get around on a motorbike like this costs you around about 39 baht to go about 2 or 3 kilometers away. So that covers you from Asok all the way to Ekamai, I believe. And I rarely have to get a motorbike any further. Ooh, wait, what, is this soy cowboy? Holy moly. Where are we going? Yo, I think this is that infamous soy cowboy. Yes, it is. I've never been down here in my life. I didn't realize how narrow the street is. Wow. I'm guessing this is where it gets really freaky at night. Dude, this city is so dynamic. Okay, yeah, okay. Alright, thank you, B. And just like that, we've made it to, what is it again? Bangkok Park. I was going to say Lumpini, but this is Bangkok, which is right next to Lumpini. If you watched my previous videos when I was here in Bangkok, I came to this very park, and I'm here once again. It's one of my favorite places to come to in Bangkok. I've only recently found out how beautiful Bangkok Park is, because I used to live slightly on the outskirts of Bangkok, and so I didn't really get to hang around a lot in this area. There seems to be quite a few people out appreciating the sunset, exercising, lounging around. I think the lifestyle that Bangkok offers draws in so many foreigners that want to make the move here and come live here and set up a base. Oh shit, no way.
No way.
How's it going? Hey, how are you, right? Alrighty, I've stepped into Terminal 21 where I've got myself a Starbucks coffee, and I'm now going to head over to the Sphere Mall to get myself some dinner for tonight. Yeah, I'm going to have a nice meal from there, and I'm going to show you around the food court in Sphere Mall because I think it's one of the best in Bangkok. Not in terms of price, but in terms of the variety and the type of food you can get there. Alright, so let me show you a few places that I've discovered from the time in which I've been here in Emerson Mall that I like to eat at. There's a peri-peri chicken right here. There's the spotted pig, which I usually like to go for an evening meal because they do great rice bowls here. I usually get two actually, one now and something for later on in the evening around about 11 p.m. when I get really hungry. On almost every morning I get myself a bagel from here, cream cheese, usually two from BKK Bagels. I've tried this Vietnamese place out once and I had some noodles from here and they were really good. Around about 340 Thai baht. And this restaurant behind me also offers a really good krapao for about 190 baht here. Yeah, so this food court has a lot of options for meals that range between 200 to 300 Thai baht. And I'm gonna go back to the Spotted Pig and get myself a Mexican rice bowl. Can I get two chicken Mexican rice bowls? Mexican rice. Smoked chili sauce and Thousand Island.
443 baht. Yep.
That, folks, is what I call a fire Mexican rice bowl. So delicious. And look who it is. Oh my god. Good to see you still alive. You feeling better?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy some crackers.
Huh?
Buy some crackers.
You're gonna buy some crackers?
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You don't know what a cracker is?
Like the Chinese crackers?
Oh, like a, like a saltine cracker.
Oh, okay, alright. Are you gonna eat a proper meal?
No.
Something healthy?
No, that's not healthy. But that's
That is healthy. Because that's not healthy, guys. What's healthy to you?
Folks, if you fried it in oil and covered it in sour cream, is that healthy?
Calories, man.
You went to Benji Kitty?
Yeah, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, look how good that looks, man.
Masarap?
So masarap. It's a spicy and sweet flavor.
I do like it. The burritos are hella fire too.
When I discovered this Mexican rice bowl, I was like, damn, this is my go-to.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
Where you going? Crackers?
Go buy.
Yo, go buy me some paracetamol, dude.
I have some at home.
Oh, okay, cool. I've got a crazy headache right now. It's throbbing pretty wildly. It started from about 1 p.m. Actually, from the moment I got up, I could feel one coming. Now it's on full blast right now. I didn't realize you actually meant crackers like this. And you got this fruit bowl from where? From the supermarket over there? Or?
Yeah.
How much was that?
160 baht.
A little pricey for what you get. Had a long day out today. Oh. Gotta pop this in the fridge. Shove that in there. Close that up. Oh, alright folks, we've made it back home. I hope you enjoyed a day in the life of living here in Bangkok. And yeah, I don't think there's much more that's going to happen today. So I'm going to wrap up today's video. If you enjoyed this type of video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, share it with friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care and bye for now.